I can't stand these people who snore. These snoring people are their own community and they don't care about anybody else. I like how they play dumb. They go, "Oh, was I snoring?" I go, "Were you snoring? I've been on boats that are quieter." So I was staying with my cousin in a hotel and he was snoring. So I just took a pillow and I started putting it over his face. And he goes, "What are you doing?" I go, "Well, I'm trying to open your airways." I was really trying to commit first-degree murder, but I said, "I'm trying to open your airways." He goes, "You were trying to suffocate me?" I go, "No, I mean, God was actually already suffocating you. I was just really helping God."